Feeling weak after 60? Scientists discovered a natural protein that can rebuild your muscles faster than eggs. An 82-year-old man could barely push himself out of a chair. His legs felt weak, his arms had lost their strength, and every doctor told him, "That's just aging," but he refused to accept it. Instead of giving up, he made one small change to his daily meals. And within 3 months, not only did he regain his strength, his blood tests looked like those of a man 30 years younger. So what was his secret? It wasn't eggs, it wasn't meat, and it wasn't a pill from the pharmacy. It was a natural protein source, one that scientists now recognize as a trigger for muscle protein synthesis, the very process that helps your body rebuild strength, even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that this type of protein stimulated the same muscle-building response as a healthy 25-year-old's body. Even better, it's affordable, easy to find, and works best when combined with other overlooked protein-rich foods. If you're over 60 and worried about muscle loss, feeling weaker, or slowing down, this video will reveal the 6 best protein foods that rebuild strength faster than eggs, especially after 70. And yes, one of them even has a surprising nickname that sounds devilish but works wonders inside your muscles. You're watching BeFitest, where we share science-backed strategies to stay strong, energized, and healthy at any age. Before we dive in, drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. It inspires others in this community. And if you find value here, please hit that like button and subscribe so more people can discover the truth about healthy aging. Now, let's count down the 6 best proteins for muscle after 70. Number 6. Lentils. The budget-friendly muscle builder. Most people believe plant proteins are too weak for real muscle, but lentils quietly prove them wrong. Just 1 cooked cup packs 18 grams of protein. And when paired with whole grains like brown rice, they deliver all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. Lentils are also loaded with magnesium and iron for energy, and fiber that supports gut health, now known to directly influence muscle retention in seniors. Quick tip: simmer red lentils with turmeric or cumin for an anti-inflammatory, protein-rich meal for less than $1 per serving. Number 5. Hemp seeds. Tiny seeds, huge strength, often misunderstood. Hemp seeds contain no psychoactive compounds, but they do contain one of the most complete plant proteins available. Just 3 tablespoons provide 10 grams of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and protect joints. For older adults, hemp protein is easier to digest than many animal proteins, meaning no bloating or stomach upset. Use them smart. Sprinkle hemp seeds on oatmeal, smoothies, or Greek yogurt. Number 4. Cottage cheese, the nighttime healer. Cottage cheese isn't fancy, but it's powerful because of its slow-digesting casein protein. This feeds your muscles gradually for hours, making it perfect before bed. In fact, clinical studies show seniors who ate cottage cheese at night boosted overnight muscle protein synthesis, almost like having a post-workout shake while you sleep. Try it. Half a cup with cinnamon or peaches before bed. Number 3. Greek yogurt. More than a snack, Greek yogurt is rich in casein and probiotics. The casein keeps muscles fueled for hours, while probiotics support gut health, which improves nutrient absorption. One study found that casein-rich foods like Greek yogurt before bed can boost overnight muscle synthesis by up to 22%. Upgrade it. Mix in berries, flax seeds, or cinnamon for antioxidants and blood sugar balance. Number 2. Black beans. The gut-muscle connection. Black beans don't get enough credit. A single cup offers 15 grams of protein plus 15 grams of fiber. That fiber nourishes your gut microbiome, and research shows a healthier gut helps older adults absorb protein more efficiently. They're also rich in resistant starch, which supports blood sugar stability, key for seniors battling insulin resistance. Eat them easily. Rinse canned black beans, season with cumin and garlic, and add to soups, salads, or rice. Number 1. Whey protein, the muscle activator. Whey protein isn't just for bodybuilders. Studies confirm that seniors who consume about 30 grams of whey daily can activate muscle growth pathways similar to young adults in their 20s. This is because whey is rich In leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle-building switch, helping overcome anabolic resistance that comes with aging. Best practice: mix 20 to 30 grams of whey isolate with water or almond milk. Add berries and cinnamon for a recovery shake that reduces inflammation and balances blood sugar. Final thoughts: this isn't about fancy supplements, it's about smart, everyday choices. Lentils for steady strength, hemp seeds for easy digestion, cottage cheese for overnight repair, Greek yogurt for long-lasting fuel. Black beans for gut and muscle synergy, whey protein to spark muscle growth like your younger self. Each of these proteins is affordable, accessible, and scientifically proven to keep you stronger, longer. If this video gave you new ideas, let me know in the comments. Which one are you adding to your meals this week? And don't forget to subscribe to BeFitest for more simple, science-backed health tips to help you age with strength, clarity, and energy. Because you're not just eating for survival anymore, you're eating for independence, vitality, and the life you deserve.